What's up, everybody? It's your boy Master K. I'm sure you all probably saw it already. I just came from Words of Life Studio. We have a show coming up at Legendary Dobbs, November 8th. I'm hoping you guys will be there. I got the tickets right here with me. Bam! Yes, $10 each. You guys already know the deal. In other news, for those of you who are coming, and I hope everybody's coming, I'm working on a new album for the year 2015. The album will be called The Soul of a Man, or just Soul of a Man. I will be performing one song off that album at the show, and it's never been performed before. I haven't done any of them yet. So, for any of you who want to know what's going on with the new Master K material and everything else like that, definitely swing by the show because it's going to be great. I'm also planning on having a feature artist with me. As to who it will be, well, you're going to have to come and just find out. Alright, guys, well, I hope to see you at the event. I'm just getting home from the studio. I'm chilling out and everything like that. So it's time for me to listen to some music, cool down, unwind for the night. Peace out.